In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up your categories in PowerTeacher. The first thing you want to do is go to PowerSchool and then click on the PowerTeacher Pro link. Once you're in PowerTeacher Pro, click on Grading in this left column and then click on Categories. When you get to the Categories section, you may see some categories that you've used in years past. And you might see a green check mark next to some of those old categories. Remember, from the district level this year, middle school is only using formative minor and summative major categories. And if you're a high school teacher, you'll have a third category for your final exam. Those are the only 2 or 3 categories that you should be using in PowerTeacher. So to make sure that we're using the correct categories and to see all of the categories, we want to click the Show Inactive button in the top right corner. Once you click there, you'll see any old categories that you've used along with the district level categories. Notice how next to the district categories there's a little school icon. We want to make sure that only the categories with the school icon are activated with a check mark next to those. So to do that, I'm going to click on the pencil icon and change that from inactive to active. And then I want to apply that setting to all of my classes. Notice how now I have a check mark next to that summative major category. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my formative minor, change it to active, apply that to all of my classes. And then I want to take my old categories that we're no longer using and inactivate those. So pencil, click inactive, apply it to all of your classes. And then last one. Now you should only have those 2 categories activated if you're middle school, and then high school teachers, you'll have that third final exam category activated as well. Then you can click Show Inactive, and that hides all of your old categories. Now when you go to create a grade, the only categories that will show up are the district level categories. If you have additional categories that are showing here, you need to go into your category section and click Inactivate. That way, the only ones that'll show up are your summative, formative, and your final exam category. And that's how you set up your gradebook categories. If you have created an assignment already before setting this up and your assignment is not showing up in your gradebook, go back into that assignment and click Edit and make sure that the category selected is only one of these 2, or if you're a high school teacher, your final exam category. Those are the only 3 that will work. Please feel free to email me or call me if you have any questions or trouble with this.